Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Facebook account to your TikTok account. It is pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So connecting your Facebook account to your TikTok account is really good so you can find your friends on TikTok much more easier and not just keep looking for your name since TikTok is a vast platform. So first of all,
Every
you're going
friend
to
group
launch up
has the
TikTok
poo friend.
and from
The
TikTok you're
ladder
going
is
to click
broken.
on profile on the bottom right corner. From there, you're going to click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner, and then you're going to click on settings and privacy. Now, from there, you're going to scroll up until you click on privacy. Now, from privacy, as you can see, you can find something called sync contacts and friends. You're going to click on sync Facebook friends, okay, and you're going to click on OK, and you're going to log in with your Facebook account and click on continue, and like that, you just connected your Facebook account to your TikTok account. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.